All right, so for my coffee drinkers out there, do you prefer without milk or with milk? Well, no matter how you prefer your coffee or your kicks, these should have came in extended sizing, but let's go ahead and get into them. What's going on, everybody? It's Lewis of the Way Your Kicks channel, back again with an unboxing for you. And depending on when it is you're seeing this video, it could be release day, it could be after release day, it could be the night before, which is when I'm actually recording this. But man, these here, they should have came in extended sizing. I don't know why Jordan Brand, Nike decided to do that to us big feet people out there, but this would have been a dope sneaker to have, whether you're a man or a woman, in my opinion. But let me know down in the comment section below after this review how you feel about them. But the label on here reads Women's Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Color blocking is black, legend, MD, brown, white. I'm not sure what MD is supposed to stand for, but this here, man, is a size 7. This is my girl size, and I was actually able to get these a little early off the Slam Jam site, which is over there in Italy. Paid a little bit more over retail for them, but you know, I held on to them until release time in order to bring you the review. But let me go ahead and throw these on the table because there's some actually pretty good details that we got to get into. All right, so here we go. Got the box here on the table, and look at the details of the box. I think this is really nice. I mean, this is what you would get if you went ahead and got yourself a latte. You know, they put like a design in the white kind of froth there on top of it, but I mean, the box details are really dope, and I really like the coloring here. But let me go ahead and pop the lid, and here you have the initial tissue paper, and it's following the same theme there with the swirls. And the thing is I saved you guys from all the tissue paper that these sneakers came wrapped in. And we also have some goodies in here. We do have a coffee coaster, and on one side you do have the Jumpman there, and then on the other side it does say "See You Latte," and I think that's actually a pretty nice touch. There are an extra set of laces in here that come in the lace box, and as you can see in there are the white laces, and you can already see that I have the left shoe laced up for you. But what comes pre-laced in the sneaker are these black laces here. And let me go ahead and review the right shoe first. And I really think that the quality control on this sneaker is actually really nice. And man, they should have came in extended sizing for the fellas as well. But hey, ladies, you got yourselves a treat. Here we have the white leather panels here on the lateral and medial side. We got white here in the toe box area. The mud guard is black, and man, these look so dope. Look at the swoosh there, is black as well. And back here you have this really light colored latte, kind of light mocha suede on the back, which, man, this is so clean looking. I really love how clean they look. And on the inside of the sock liner, it's black as well. It's kind of a satiny kind of feel in there. The midsole itself is sail, and then taking a look there at the outsole, which is pretty clean as well. On the inside foot pads, let me go ahead and pull this one out here of the right shoe, and look at that, man. Look at the details of this sneaker are really dope. You got 2-3 here in the heel, and man, really dope looking. And then what did I do? Did I mix these up when I was putting them back in? I think I did that. My bad, y'all. My bad. My bad. So this one here with Nike Air goes obviously in the right one, and then you obviously have the this one to go in the left one. I had to reshoot my video, and I can't believe I got these mixed up when I was doing it. My fault. But here you go. You got Nike Air there in the heel, the right side, and 23 on the left side. And I really like the details there of this shoe. And taking a look here at the left shoe, we do have the extra set of laces that come laced here. I put them in so you can already see the contrast between the two. But let me know what you guys like here. Do you like the white laces, or are you a fan of the black laces? Now, the white laces themselves, they are somewhat, you know, with a tint to them, kind of match there to the midsole. And you can kind of see the difference in white between the tongue and the laces themselves. But I think the white laces look pretty clean in there versus the black laces. But hey, either way, dope looking sneaker. But let's go ahead and close out the video. All right, so you've seen now some of the details involved with the Jordan 1 women's lattes. And let me know what you think down there in the comment section below. Now, the retail on these is $180, and it is a GR, so there are going to be ample opportunities to try to cop these besides the sneakers app tomorrow at 10 a.m., which is when the drop is. Again, depending on when it is you've seen this video, drop could have already happened, but I have no idea how these are actually going to do. Maybe some of the bigger sizes will move a lot quicker and the smaller sizes may sit around. I really don't know. You can't call it anymore, but seeing as how things have been going for the Jordan 1 as of late, I think these are gonna be an easy cop, and possibly, yeah, you'll probably be able to get these on sale if you're patient enough. But let me know down in the comment section below if these are on your list of cops here in 2024. In any case, please smash the like button for me. If you're new to my channel, thanks for tapping in. Make sure you hit that subscriber button and click that notification bell for every time I drop one of these videos. This is Lewis of the Wear Your Kicks channel, reminding you to be true, stay in the moment, and don't forget, every day is a great day to wear your kicks.